Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, it's teacher Yati again, and today we're going to learn about beginning sounds. The sounds that we will be learning are R, M, A, S, E, and other sounds. Okay, are you ready? Now, look at the picture. What picture do you see?
Do you know what picture that is? It is a picture of a rocket. Rocket. What letter does the word rocket start with? Correct. The letter R. Rocket. Okay? Very good. The next word is alien. Can you hear me? Alien. Okay. Did you hear the first letter? I did. I said the letter A. Alien. Very good. Your hearing skills are great. Okay. Next. Star. Star. Did you hear that? What letter did I say? The first sound. I said S. S. Star. Good job, everyone. Okay, are you ready for the next word? What picture is that? That's correct. That is planet Earth. 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 My mouth didn't open so big. I said the letter E. Earth. Very good. Okay, and the last one is astronaut. Astronaut. Did you hear the first letter? That is correct. I said the letter A for astronaut. Good job, everyone.
Okay, now it's time for worksheets. Make sure that your handwriting is really neat, okay? We will be checking your handwriting. So have fun, do your work, do it neatly, and stay safe, everyone. I'll see you soon.